Good with all my truckers and everybody out there. Yeah, y'all see what it is. I'm out here in the rain getting it, you heard me? I feel like them right there that's loading that truck. I ain't gonna even lie, you heard me? I'm over here picking this load up right here out of New Orleans, Louisiana. This load is going to New York. I'm gonna have to drive 1,317 miles. And all I was able to get for this load right here was 3,400. Yeah, you heard what I said. All I was able to get for this stupid dumbass load is 3,400. I deliver Wednesday morning in Queens, New York. Y'all stay safe out there and keep trucking, you heard me? This shit don't stop the dumb way. You heard me? Dumb.